Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Miata soft top, full guide. Begin by lowering the top, latching it in the down position, and clearing the rear deck area before you touch any fasteners. Remove loose items and cover the paint near the header to prevent scratches. Keep all hardware organized in labeled bags and work methodically from rear to front to avoid reinstall confusion. Start at the back and remove the rear header bolts while supporting the frame with one hand to prevent sudden drops. Slowly work the weather strip free using a trim tool to avoid damaging the rubber or paint. Once bolts are removed, lift the header straight up and away from the body, checking for hidden clips or wires that might still be attached. Place the header on a soft blanket to protect its finish and any glass components. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car guides you enjoy. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for storing repair manuals, how-to PDFs, and reference photos during a project. Pick one up to keep your instructions handy while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Move to the sides and unfasten belt rail screws while supporting the rail to prevent it dropping onto the door. Free the bow ends from the windshield frame by unlatching them and noting their orientation for later reinstallation. Remove any small clips or plastic retainers and label them so nothing gets lost. Keep an eye on hinge wear and take photos if needed to remember alignment during reassembly and to check for parts that need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.